Data protection and privacy. The processing of personal data through AI systems shall be governed by the principles of purpose limitation, data minimization, and data privacy by design in accordance with the provisions of DPDP Act 2023 or any other law for the time being in force. And sensitive judicial data shall be accorded the highest standard of protection. Now, the processing of personal data shall be governed by the principles of purpose limitation. What is purpose limitation? So, if I am collecting data, right, for purpose X, I cannot use it for purpose Y. I collected data because I wanted to see how many people in a particular jurisdiction, what is the percentage of people who suffer from, let's say, lung cancer. That was the purpose to collect CT scans. It's not that those people came to me, right? The purpose to collect those CT scans was, let's say, to see how many people suffer from lung cancer. Now I cannot change that to another purpose Y. For example, Y could be, so the new purpose could be how many of them smoke. My original purpose was to see how many of these people suffer from lung cancer, but then I'm changing it to perform another AI on it, which is how many of these people were smoking. Here purpose has changed, so I may not be allowed to do this. Shall be governed by the principles of purpose limitation. If AI, so if data collection was, in fact more, if the processing of personal data through AI systems be governed by purpose limitation, if it was collected for a particular purpose, then it cannot be used for some other purpose subsequently. Data minimization. We have talked about this before. We have talked about this before in 3.1T, right? That was it when we were talking about data minimization. But in general, it means that I have to minimize data for the task that is strictly required. So I must use only that much personal data which is strictly required for the particular task at hand. It cannot be so that, like the normal tendency of tech companies is give me this data, give me this data, give me this data, and so on. They'll accumulate data and then say, now we will decide which one should be used. That's a wrong approach, right? Right approach is I have a purpose at hand, and for this purpose I strictly require this data. Some of this is personal data. I require all those personal data, else I will not be able to meet my purpose effectively. In that case, I should be allowed to use only that data which is minimally required. So that is data minimization. Data privacy by design. So privacy should not be a side product. We have to keep privacy as one of the goals, that I should not be leaking private information of the individuals through my AI applications. So data privacy has to be by design. It cannot be considered as a side project, a byproduct, that okay, if data privacy also happens, this is good, but otherwise we don't care. No. Here it says that the principle governs data privacy by design. So it has to be shown whenever there is a question of that kind, it has to be shown that data privacy was considered in the design itself in accordance with the principles of DPDP Act or any other law for the time being in force. And sensitive judicial data is something we have already talked about in 3.1ZH. So this was the definition of sensitive judicial data, where we said that sensitive judicial data includes personally identifiable information of parties, witness, or legal representatives, and any information processed in connection with a court process, the unauthorized disclosure of which may cause harm, shall be accorded the highest standard of protection. These statements are nice. Highest standard of protection. Okay. So, but remember previously I was talking about these things where, so shall not be permissible to invoke the outputs of an AI system, the opaqueness of a black box system, right? Here the door is shut, but here it says highest standard of protection. That means we are already taking some benchmarks into account, that there are benchmarks where we will compare that whether the due diligence, the care taken was actually of the highest standards, because that's all in my hands. I cannot be absolutely held accountable for everything that an AI system is doing. But that's what accountability clause is doing. So in my opinion, but again, we are talking about data protection right now, so we just stay there. The right to privacy shall be ensured in all AI related operations of the court. Now again, I have problems with such languages. These kind of languages are much more flexible and powerful. So the right to privacy, in fact, it's a right to privacy. It's a fundamental right now. Shall be ensured in all AI related operations, of course. Yes, but then it has to be accorded. It has to be done according to the highest standard of protection. One cannot really go beyond what is permissible in technology. Now one may come and say that law does not compel impossibility anyway. But if that is the case, it has to be actually mentioned in these guidelines or these regulations. It's a good point to stop. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.